This is OLP 365, your path to growth, success, and transformation every single day. If you're watching this, congratulations. You haven't given up on your future. But let me ask you this. Did you start 2024 with big goals? More money, better health, more happiness, a stronger mindset. But somewhere along the way, life happened. And now, those goals might feel like they're slipping away. Time keeps moving whether we're ready or not. Here's the truth. Most people quit on their New Year's resolutions by February, but not you. You are here because you are different. You are here because you want more. You're ready to take control of your life again. So grab your notebook, grab your journal, grab your planner, because today we're getting back on track. These aren't just tools. They're the keys to unlocking your potential. The journey of transformation starts with a single step. OLP 365 is designed to help you grow in every area of your life. From health and wealth to relationships and personal growth, we've got you covered. Imagine waking up every day with a clear purpose. Imagine having the tools and support to achieve your dreams. That's the power of OLP 365. Are you ready to transform your life? Your notebook is your blueprint. This is where your future starts. Write down your goals again. Remind yourself what you committed to. Your journal is your mirror. This is where you track your progress, reflect on your struggles, and remind yourself why you started. And your planner? That's your execution tool. You don't just think about success. You plan for it. You schedule it. You make it happen. Because dreams without action, they're just wishes. And here at OLP 365, we turn wishes into results. You might have written it before. Do it again. Write it like you mean it. Speak it out loud. Own it. This is your moment to recommit to your dreams. One action. Not 10, not 5. Just one. Success happens one step at a time. What's one thing you can do today to move forward? Remember, every journey begins with a single step. This is where it gets real. Drop a comment below and tell Lou what goal you're recommitting to. He's on this journey with you. He's here to help. And the first step? Admitting to yourself that you're back in the game. You're not alone in this. Together, we can achieve greatness. The clock is ticking. The year is moving forward, with or without you. But here's the thing. It's not too late. You still have time. And today, you're making a choice. Your future is waiting. It's time to take that first step towards your dreams. The difference between winners and quitters is simple. Winners restart when others stop. You fell off, it happens. But now you rise again. Imagine where you'll be in December if you start again today. What if, instead of quitting, you chose to go all in? This is your moment. Say it out loud. I'm back. I'm in. Let's go. Right now, grab your notebook, journal, and planner. Drop a comment. Tell Lou what goal you're restarting today. Because OLP 365 isn't just a system. It's a movement, and you are part of it.